Ever felt that tiny jolt of panic when you're abroad, or even just needing some quick cash in a different currency? You see that familiar green TD logo, and you think, perfect, I can just grab some USD here. But then, a nagging question creeps in, can I actually withdraw USD from a TD ATM? It's a question that's probably crossed the minds of many TD customers, especially those who travel or deal with cross-border transactions. We've all been there, right? That moment of uncertainty, trying to decipher the cryptic messages on the ATM screen, hoping you don't accidentally trigger some hefty international fee. It's like navigating a financial maze, and sometimes, you just want a straight answer. Let's be real, ATMs are designed for convenience. They're supposed to be our financial superheroes, dispensing cash whenever we need it. But what happens when the currency you need isn't the local one? Does the superhero suddenly lose its powers? Here's the thing, the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. It's more of a depends situation, and that's where things get interesting. So, let's cut through the confusion and get to the bottom of this. Can you withdraw USD from a TD ATM? The short answer is, generally, no. Most standard TD ATMs in Canada and the US dispense the local currency, which is Canadian dollars in Canada and US dollars in the US. However, there are a few exceptions, and it's all about the specific ATM location and its programming. In Canada, for example, it's highly unlikely you'll find a standard TD ATM dispensing USD. These machines are primarily configured for Canadian dollar transactions. Similarly, in the US, you will mostly get USD. But here's the twist, some specialized TD ATMs, often found in border locations or major international airports, might offer the option to withdraw USD. These are typically designed to cater to travelers and those needing foreign currency. However, these are the exception, not the rule. So, how do you find these elusive USD dispensing ATMs? Your best bet is to check the TD Bank website or app for specific branch and ATM information. You can also call TD customer service for assistance. They can provide details on ATM locations that offer USD withdrawals. And let's talk fees for a moment. Even if you find an ATM that dispenses USD, be prepared for potential charges. These could include foreign transaction fees, currency conversion fees, and ATM withdrawal fees. It's crucial to understand these fees before you proceed to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Another option to consider is using your TD Access card for point-of-sale transactions in USD. Many retailers and businesses, particularly in border areas or tourist destinations, accept debit cards for purchases, allowing you to pay directly in USD without needing to withdraw cash. In conclusion, while most standard TD ATMs dispense the local currency, there might be a few specialized ATMs that offer USD withdrawals. Always check with TD Bank for specific ATM information and be aware of potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.